So I need some help. Please help me. How do I graduate from being a DIY woodworker to become a true hobbyist? The first issue I've got is, how on earth do I lay out my workshop? I have benches all down this side, which are mostly used to keep stuff on that probably should be in cupboards. More benches and racks for tools. Some storage in a old refurbished one, a recycled chest of drawers. And I have a load of storage space for wood, which is pretty much just sitting there. More wood, a benchtop joiner, benchtop router table, more wood and other bits and bobs that I've collected over time. And it's also where I store my garden equipment. How on earth do I make sense of all of this? The second issue I've got is about how do I manage the dust? Because honestly, it is too much. So I have this little cyclone separator thing that I built, and it works pretty well. And today I went and bought what I'm going to call a grown-up dust collector, but now I don't know where to put it. I don't know how I set my workshop up so that I don't have a whole bunch of dust hoses all over the place. So that's problem number 2. Problem number 3 is that I spend a lot of time making things just so I can make things. And that's pretty damned annoying. So I followed Stumpy Nub's video, and I made this benchtop router table, which is fantastic. But then I made some finger joint boxes. And here you can see, I haven't made much progress with them at all, because I'm too busy making things to make things. I would really love to get your ideas on what I can make with all this wood I've got. It is just a little bit crazy how much I have. I like laminating wood together, so I have made another coffee table, which has been in a previous video. I could make coasters, and I could make chopping boards, but you guys know best. And as I'm in New Zealand, there's quite a small market. So, I don't know what to do, is the honest answer. I think I probably need to be more disciplined, because currently I have bench space that a lot of people would envy. But it's just got all my stuff on it. So it makes me think that I need more storage. And the other thing is that the dust gets everywhere. You can see up here, that is just a very thick layer of dust. So maybe I need to build some cupboards and put them on the wall, find a proper spot for everything that I've got on here. They don't need to be on here, but that's just where they've ended up. But again, that's just making things so I can make things. And I don't know what to do first. I could spend 2 weeks, not produce a video, and tidy this place up. Or I can make a video about making something cool, like my castle joint coffee table, which I really do want to do. And here is the makings of it here, but I just haven't gotten back to it. So I'd really appreciate your help. If you could drop some thoughts in the comments, that would be awesome. I guess it's just a natural stage, like I'm human, I do things, I have a maybe I have a short attention span. But any comments that you can give me or send me in the direction of particular videos for layout, stuff like that, I'd be very grateful. And in the top corner here, you see another thing that I'm trying to do, which is line the inside of the garage or the ceiling of the garage. And again, you know, that's not making something, that's making something so that I can make something, so that I can be warmer in the winter out here in the garage. So I need some help. Please help me.